Welcome back. We're going to tell you a little bit about one of the most awesome programs to open in Okaloosa County in the very, very, very long time. And with me I have Herschel Adams, one of the founders of the Crossroads Center Medical Clinic. You're going to want to hear about this because it is a really cool clinic. Tell me a little bit about what is the Crossroads Medical Center.
It began as an outgrowth of the ministry of the Emerald Coast Fellowship of Baptist Churches, and it is a faith-based, free medical clinic for residents of Okaloosa County and Walton County who are in the low-income brackets and who have no insurance.
And what kind of services are we providing them?
Well, we provide primary care, primary medical care, such as diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular problems, things like that. We do educational services such as diabetic education, nutrition. We have some limited counseling services. We have a patient assistance program that provides, helps patients get free or low-cost medication. In fact, we've provided more than $1 million worth of free medication to our local residents here. Our care team is a wonderful program where they meet with each patient, find out their personal needs, deal with any prayer needs they have. We refer them to other local agencies such as charitable organizations, civic organizations, government organizations that can help them in other needs. We try to treat the person holistically so that we help them not just medically but as a whole person. Sure.
Now to the part that I think is most interesting. Who is eligible for services?
Okay, it's adults who are residents of Okaloosa and Walton counties, who are U.S. citizens or legal aliens, who are 18 years of age or above, have no insurance, and are below 200% of the federal poverty rate.
So they have a job, they're actually making income?
They may have a job, they may not.
Yeah, absolutely. And with the high cost of medical services, how do you afford a free medical? I mean, that seems like it's open to pretty much everybody. How do you afford running a program like that?
Well, there are three reasons. One is it's volunteer driven. We have tremendous physicians, physician assistants, pharmacists, nurses, nurse practitioners, internet technology people, office workers, just on and on, who volunteer their time in services. We have a number of partnerships with agencies in the area. Free medical testing is given to our patients by Fort Walton Beach Medical Center, North Okaloosa Medical Center, Twin Cities Hospital, Sacred Heart Hospital over in Walton County, Open MRI in Crestview. The Caduceus Society from Sacred Heart has provided a lot of equipment. We have a partnership with Northwest Florida State College, their nursing department. Our nursing director teaches there, and she won a statewide education award because of the partnership she has with Crossroads. And so it goes on and on like that with the partnerships that we have. Also with the Florida State Health Department provides us with sovereign immunity, so we're covered with our liability.
Wow, because we know that's a huge, huge cost.
That's great.
Cost. Now, when people talk about donating money, and I think you couldn't find a more worthy cause, but people talk about donating dollars, they want to know how efficient you are. So if I give you $1, how much of that actually goes to help somebody?
Well, if I said every bit of it went, that would be an understatement.
That'd be 100%.
Understatement. 100% is
because what they don't know is
because our volunteers, our partnership agencies multiply the effect so that last fiscal year, for every $1 that was donated, we returned $15.44 of medical services to our community.
That's amazing.
God just has blessed abundantly, and we're just so thankful for our supporters.
That people don't realize that's a ton of work, because there are a lot of agencies out there, but you and I both know if somebody's giving money away, there's a lot of bureaucracy and a lot of reporting and a lot of paperwork, and even the pharmaceutical companies will provide some of those things to you after you've covered all the hurdles, jumped all the hurdles.
That's our patient assistance program, and more than $1 million worth.
Yeah, that is amazing. Give me an example of what kinds of people, give me an example of somebody that you've helped.
Okay, somebody came in, bivocational pastor came into my office. I noticed he was breathing real hard. I asked him about it. He says, I have a heart problem, but I can't afford medication. So I got him to our medical clinic. They helped him get VA benefits. We got him into a program to sustain him. And he'll tell you today, I'm alive because of the ministry of Crossroads Center Medical Clinic. And it's people like that who have real physical needs that they cannot afford to do anything about.
That's amazing. That's amazing. How, if somebody wants to make a donation to you, Dr. Adams, how do they do that?
Well, they can go on the web to our website, which is www.crossroadsclinicfwb.org. They can mail them to my office at 399 Edge Avenue, Valparaiso, Florida, 32580.
Sure.
If they want to volunteer, they can call the number. I think it's on the screen. It should be 389-3015. So,
if you're wondering how we get out of this mess that our economy's in, you jump in and volunteer and help out.
That's
Crossroads
right.
Medical Center is a great place to do that.
Politicians talk about it. We do something about it.
Amen. Amen. I want to thank you very much for the wonderful things you're doing for our community.
Thank
Crossroads Medical Clinic sounds like a wonderful, wonderful place, and thanks for all your hard work.
Thank you very much.
I got a couple quick announcements I need to make before we leave you today. The second Wednesday breakfast is November 9th at 7:30, the Niceville Community Center. That's, of course, located on 204 North Parton Drive. This November, it is sponsored by Rocky Bayou Christian School. Chamber members and prospective members are welcome to attend. RSVP now to join Tradewinds Restaurant, the Let's Do Lunch, Tuesday, November 15th at 11:30 a.m. And remember, it's always a great time to join the Chamber. Give your Chamber a jump start by becoming a member today. It's a small investment, big returns. www.nicevillechamber.com or 678-2323. And the last shout out I want to do is a thank you to the folks at Cox for offering us this time to let you know what's going on in your community. They do a great job. We really do appreciate it. God bless you all, and we'll see you next month.